Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Can anybody hear me? Hello everyone. Here is doing Holdings, and this is our company profile. If anyone is interested in garri or fufu processing line, and also the starch or flour processing line, you can come to my live stream. Hello, welcome. Are you interested in our processing line, like garri processing line or fufu processing line? And also we have different kind of like potato starch or sweet potato starch processing line. Let's have a look. Okay, so here is our office looks like. Yes, okay, no problem. So if you want, please leave your WhatsApp number in a private way, okay? Send me a message to me, okay? Leave your WhatsApp message, okay? Okay, I will call my assistant to leave our company's WhatsApp number, okay? No problem. So I will introduce about our company. Here is our company's office looks like. So first of all, here. Here is our company factory, and our company is in the Henan province, China, Henan province. So, and our company, it is very near to the airport and also the transportation. It is very convenient to come to our company. If you want or if you like, you can come to China, and we will visiting you to look at our company and our equipment. This is the factory. Our factory is in the also in the Henan province, but it is nearly 14 car ride to our company. This is the factory looks like. And our processing machine is the sweet potato starch production line. And okay, so what's your name? Bernard. Sorry, I pronounce it not so well, but if you can hear about what I said, please leave, where are you from? Maybe I will ask where are you from, because we have overseas warehouse. It's in the Nigeria, and it is more convenient for shipping or settling the equipment, okay? So here is our processing machine, like a sweet potato starch. Ghana, alright. So look at here, we have many different equipment sent to Ghana, and also the DR Congo, and we have a overseas warehouse in Nigeria. If you want to have a look to the Nigeria, please leave your WhatsApp number, okay? to send a private message to me, okay? Oh, look at here, and the bottom two pictures is our workmate, and this picture is in the Nigeria warehouse. Here is our customers. They come to our factory to have a look of our equipment. And also we have a oil processing line. What OS your WhatsApp number? Okay, I will send to you soon, okay? I will send to you. Let me talk to my assistant. Okay, no problem. I will talk to my assistant. Sorry, maybe she is working. He is a little busy. So I will introduce this for you. And our company also can sell some edible oil like the palm oil and the soybean oil equipment. And here is something like this. This is a metal and plastic separating machine. Here is our ISO certificate. Okay, look at this picture. This is our equipment like shipped to the Nigeria. And this is national patent. So what do you want? You want the garri processing line or fufu processing line, and also the cassava starch processing line or any other. You can tap on here. And I have the 3D animation. I can introduce this for you. Like this one is this one is our 3D animation for the garri processing line. Let's have a look, okay? So I will introduce this equipment in this processing line. Our equipment is how to say that? It is like the animation. And I will introduce it, what can it do, or what is the best, or anything. First, use the left to pick the cassava in the feeding hoover. So you can see this feeding hoover. It is shaker under the bottom. The cassava will send on the belt conveyor. And the first machine here is a dry sieve machine. It can. Okay, so here is our WhatsApp number. Hi. Here is our WhatsApp number. And this is our dry sieve. Dry sieve to friction the cassava in it, and it is rotated. And here comes the debris or the grass and so on. Hello Bernard, if you are here, please answer my assistant, okay? Hello? And the second step is send the cassava to this pole. this pole named the paddle washing machine. Look at here. Here is the paddle in this pole, and also our salute. Look at this. This is salute, right? So if you have a lot of cassava, the paddle washing machine, and you know that machine. Let's say again, this machine can clean the cassava very clearly because the water will come in this way, and the cassava will come in this way. So so it can washing the solid on the cassava. So the surface will clean it very cleanly. Talking to in the past, but my farm was not ready. Okay, not ready. I know. I got it. So you are just interested in this, right? No problem. No problem. And then send the cassava to the peeling machine. The peeling machine that it is here are some red sandpaper in it. Here are many sandpaper rollers in it, and the sandpaper will cover the roller, and the roller will turn around. He was a rep from doing. Oh my gosh. Is he a salesperson or he's a boss? I'm not hearing about this person. Lodi? Maybe? And in this machine, the sandpaper will friction the cassava surface, so it is easy for clean the cassava skin. And here comes the water. The water also can. Okay, salesperson. No problem. And also the water comes into this machine to clean the sand roller paper, maybe, and then the cassava will fall on the belt conveyor again, and then go to the grinding machine, right? Grinding machine is to make the cassava to the small pieces. In here, in the grinding machine, if you have a lot of budget, you can also choose the cutting machine, because if the cutting is very low and the cassava's garri or fufu can make it very thin, and the small pieces will fall in the feeding hopper. And here is the grinding machine. It's coming again because the grinding machine can make it more thinner. Small pieces and go to the flour. And here is the elevator. send the cassava to the tank for friction, for fermentation. Here is the friction. Our friction tank can make the friction time be more shorter, and if you don't need this tank, you want to dry it under the sun, it's okay. It's all okay. But if you use this kind of tank, and the time will be more shorter. And then the cassava will go to the next step. Here is an elevator again. Okay, so here is a grinding machine again, because the grinding machine can grinding the cassava cake, and then it will go into the big garri furnace. And our garri furnace have a special thing. Like our garri furnace adopts a two-layer design. There is a heat-conducting oil in the gap between the two layers. Through the heat-conducting oil, the temperature of the bottom of the wok garri furnace can be rapidly increased, thus shortening the time for frying garri and saving your operating time. This is a special thing in this kind of big furnace. And also you can see the shaft. Two shafts, one is longer and one is shorter. It can make the garris for fibers more separately. And then the garri will fall into the belt conveyor again. No, this one is not the belt conveyor, it's another conveyor. And then go to the separation machine, vibrating machine. Here is two cyclones, and it can make the finest, and if there are any garri is more bigger, it will be put in the other cyclone. Here is ready for package. So here is the processing line, whole processing line. So if you have any question, you can ask me. I can answer for you. And this is the 3D animation. Maybe you want to change one or change two. The different machine is all okay, because we have the different type of the cassava grinding or cassava washing, and also the dehydrate machine. So here I need to introduce again. Here is our company strengths. And also here is the factory live show. Hello everyone, here is Doing Holdings. If anyone is interested in our company, like the garri processing line, fufu processing line, and also the sweet potato starch processing line, or cassava flour, cassava starch processing line, you can leave a message for me in the commentary, okay? And if I can see your problem, I can answer for you. And here is the factory live show. This is our factory. Factory is near to our company. If you come here, we will give you a car ride. It's only about 40 minutes. Here is our team show. Have a look. He is our boss, chairman, and his name is John. If you can meet him in the company, well, you are very lucky because he is very busy flying all over the world. And there is our international team. If you come here, they can introduce visiting, or they can drive the car for you. Overseas sales team, and they are also the international trading team. Here is our domestic sales department and the IT department. Here is our engineering. Okay, here is our production team. Here is our factory. Factory is in the Zhengzhou, near to the Zhengzhou. Here is the project cases. And look at here, our products cases is all over the world. And the most important thing is that we have an overseas warehouse. It's in the Nigeria. So if the overseas customers want our equipment, it can directly send to you very fast, because the Nigeria warehouse also have the equipment that you want. Look at here, Nigeria, many Nigeria shipment. And also here is Ghana. Can you see it? Okay, here is the settlement pictures. This picture is in China, Guizhou. And here is also the potato starch project. And this one is in Indonesia, in Nigeria, in Tanzania, and here is the fufu in DR Congo. In Uganda, it is cassava flour. And you can see our customers, they from all over the world. So if you choose our equipment, please believe us, because we can send it very fast, and the package is very good, and also our shipment is directly shipping in the I will be China for Cotton Festival next year. I would love to have a factory tower. No problem, no problem. And welcome to China next year. And here is the packaging. But if you want to come to China soon, please let us know, okay? You can directly call the how to say that, Leod. You can directly call our salesman if you have him WhatsApp number. He is a factory installation. Yes, you can You can directly point the WhatsApp number on here. And the first here is the cassava feeding hopper. It is for short storage for raw cassava and uniform feeding. And belt conveyor, you can see this one is showing many times in the animation. Here is a dry sieve. It is very important because it is the first machine in the whole processing line, and it is for friction and to remove the cassava surface, the impurities. Here is the the washing equipment used for cassava cleaning and washing. You can see here, and this one is only one salute, and here is two salute. If you have a lot of like 10-ton cassava, you can use this one because the first one is a little bit you know it's so small, it not can clean it very much. Cutting machine. Our cutting machine is used for the pre-crushing for cassava, and also this machine, cutting machine, it is mainly using in every processing line, not only the garri but also the starch or the flour. You can all use this cutting machine, but you can also use this one is rasper. Rasper is the second stage crushing of the cassava. This machine is using for the starch. Maybe it's more suitable in the starch making, and the blood in it is making of the 16.5 mm material. It's one set worn out, the other set can be turned over for use. It is special and amazing. And here is a centrifuge sieve. It is used for fiber separation. You know, the cassava, in the cassava, it is many kind of fiber or the impurities in here. And so here is the centrifuge sieve. When the cassava slurry go into the centrifuge machine, and it will washing, using for washing or separation. For separation and for the our cassava slurry. This is also used for the cassava starch. And the hydrocyclone, we need for 18 hydrocyclone, is used for separation the protein and other debris and the cell liquids and so on. It can make the this processing machine is 18 stage to ensure high purification of cassava starch and food grade material. It is very safe for using. And here is a vacuum dehydrator. It's used for the starch milk dewatering. And this is a big rotary drum. And if the drum is turn around, so the cassava starch will fall on the surface. It's also used for the cassava starch. And here is the drying section. This one is used for starch and used for the flour. It all can use this system. We use a negative pressure to make the cassava starch to be more drying. And we use a plus tube design. The plus tube is one thick and one thin tube. It can make the cassava maybe powder be more shortly to go through the whole tube and ensure the drying effect. And this tube, we use a negative pressure. This is a kind of explosion from the explosion, and also the powder will not run out of the tube. And the last one here is the dry sieving machine, used for separation of coarse powder, ensuring fineness of final starch product. And here is the electricity control cabinet, and we can see here is many like the green and red one. It can make your processing line be more automatic, and it also can save your laboratory cost. Okay, so thank you for watching this. Here is our company profile, and also here is the garri processing line. Let's have a look. And here we said it's large scale garri processing machine, and it's a 3D video. Here is all the things we need. Please have a look. Here is the feeding hopper. Oh no, here is not about feeding hopper. And first, our cassava will go to the peeling machine for peeling the skin on the cassava, and go to the grinding machine, very directly to go to the grinding the cassava into the small pieces, and then go to the crusher. Crusher can make the cassava into very thin powder, and then it can go to the garri fairy to fill the garris. Our fills, you can look the fills. We have 2 layers, and in the layers we have special design. Is a heat conducting oil in the gap between 2 layers. Through the heating conducting oil, the temperature of the bottom of the wok can be rapidly increased, thus shortening the time for garri and saving your operating time. Yes, it's a good way for saving your time. And then it will go to the garri. And if you want the large scale processing line, we have. And if you want the small, you have very small kind of if you only have 1 ton per hour, we also can give you a small scale production line, like here. It's more directly peeling and grating, and then it will go to the hydraulic press to press out the water in the cassava, and then go to the garri furnace, and then go to the vibration sieve to make the garri more fineness. And okay, here can be packer. This is a small scale. Maybe it looks like the big scale. And the big scale, we also, here we need a cassava crusher. But the small scale don't have the crusher. Here is the difference. And you can have a look. This is our machines. Dry sieve first. But if you said that I don't need this, we all don't need, you can peel the cassava at first. It's all okay, depend on what you want. Here is a peeler, and then here is a hydraulic press. And then here is a hammer crusher. Hammer crusher can make the cassava more thin and the fineness of the garri. Here is a hydraulic press. Oh, then this is wrong. This is a crusher, sorry. Here is a crusher, not the hydraulic press, sorry. And here is garri furnace. And this is a vibrating sieve. We can see here is all the processing line looks like. Peeler, and here is the dryer system. Here is a grinding machine. And this is all the factory we help them to build in Africa. Is anyone here? We are the Henan JINRUI Holdings, and JINRUI Holdings have many little company. I'm in the Henan JINRUI Food Limited company. So if you want, you can call our company JINRUI, and also you can call our company JINRUI. Look at here. Here is our factory. And also, if you are in the South Asia, we also have the cassava cutting to the small pieces, cutting processing line. Okay, so we have the cassava cutting processing line. We have cassava processing machine, sweet potato starch processing machine, and the yam starch processing machine, cassava flour processing machine, yam flour processing plant, fufu flour processing machine, garri processing machine, and also we have the cutting machine to cut the cassava into the small pieces, and it is more easy to be storage for a long time. You can see here our company have 2,000 we have over 2,000 customers. You can see here is the photos here. It also shows us the different garri or fufu flour processing line, and it is sent to the different country. And we have the machine in nearly 19 countries. And our engineering it have over 15. And we can give you technical support. And here is our certificate. Okay, so here let's see the garri processing line again. Okay. If you have any question, please leave a commentary. Leave anything you want in the commentary. Okay. If you want to realize and you are interested in the machine, any machine we can sell to you, single or all the processing line. Here is a peeling machine. No, here is a washing machine. It named the paddle washing machine. It can clean the cassava into a very good, very fast. And here comes a cassava. Then go to the peeling machine for peel the skins on the cassava surface. And under the water, you can see here, here are many rollers, and the sandpaper is covered with roller. So if the sandpaper is broken or it's old, you can change it very directly. Because here we can see like this one is a lock. You can open the lock and then you can pick up the roller what you want to change the roller or change the sandpaper. So it's very easy. And then the cassava go to the grinding machine for grinding. But here we use a cutting machine. It can cut the cassava into small pieces like this. It's nearly 3 to 5 centimeters. It's a little big, so we need to grinding it again. Because we know the garri is more thinner, and if the cassava can be more thinner, the garri will be more delicious, right? So it need to grinding again. And then go to the elevator. Here comes the tank. Here is the tank. So if you didn't the 2 tanks, you can only need only 1 tank. It's okay. But if you want to dry the cassava, garri under the sunlight, you don't need to use this 2 tank. And if you want this tank the time can be shorter the time you cooking the garri. It's more efficiency. And then here will comes the cassava cake. Here is a garri flour, but it is in the cake. So we need the grinding again to make the garri powder be more thinner. What's wrong? And then go to the garri fairies. Here we can see his two shafts. One is shorter and one is longer. And that our fairies are more special because these fairies have 2 layers under the fairies. Here is 2 layers and double layer, sorry. There is a heat conducting oil in the gap between the 2 layers. Through the heat conducting oil, the temperature of the bottom of the garri fairies can be rapidly increased. So at that time, the garri in these fairies can vary for shorting time, and the garri will be okay. And then it will fall into the belt conveyor. Hello everyone, here is Henan JINRUI Food Engineering Limited Company. And today we are introduce our company's equipment like a garri processing line or fufu processing line. If anyone want to know more about our company, please type anything you want in the commentary, okay? Here is the packaging machine for a package. Okay, so here is a full line, whole processing line. We are the Doing Holdings. It is a big name, and here is our big company. We can see here is a garri processing line. Let's look at this again. First, the cassava will directly go to the peeler for peeling the skin, and then go to the grinding machine for grinding it to the small pieces, and also you can use the cutting machine. And then here is the screw conveyor. Here is the 2 hydraulic press. It can press out the water in the cassava. And then 2 hydraulic press. And then this processing line didn't have the tanks, right? So you can put here for fermentation. Put it under the sunlight. Under the sunlight, it needs nearly 3 days or 2 days. It needs a longer time. But if you want be more shortly to get the garri, I suggest you can choose the tank. And here is the crusher for crushing. The garri is be drying under the sunlight. Then go to the crusher for crush the cassava cake, dry cassava cake, and then it can go to the fryer for freeze the garris. And here says the factory direct sale, right? If you want to go to the Nigeria, here is our overseas warehouse, and also here have the native salesperson. It can help you a lot. So here is the fast delivery and the professional team. So the Nigeria warehouse, it can make the shipment be more safe, be more directly, and also efficiency. We also have the fufu processing line. Yeah, but we need to use dry sieve first, and then to washing the cassava, and then you can peeling it. Fermentation for 2 or 3 days here. So look at here is the dry sieve. The cassava into the dry sieve will friction together, and look at here this small how to say that? This can also help to friction. And here is the paddle washer, and here is the paddle. And the peeler, look at here. Here we can easily see the sand roller in it. High peeling rate for 95%. So this machine is very good to use. And the garri fairies control the temperature automatically. Eccentric steering. The old one is like this, or not the old. The original one is like this. It has three shafts, right? 3 shafts. It will not like our design. It's only 2 shafts. 2 shafts. One is longer and one is more shorter. It can shaft the garri in the fairies. It can be heat more directly, or make the cassava garri. Here is the garri failures. And this is a grinding machine. Grinding machine is very important in the whole processing line, right? And here is the old one and the new one. Peeler. Peeler, we can see this. It can be clean the cassava very clean. Hydraulic press, it can press out the water in the cassava. And this is a vibration sieve to make the cassava be more thin. And the whole processing line is like this. Garri fairies. Also, if you need our engineering, go to the Africa for help you to into settlation your equipment. It's all okay. Look at here, it is all shipment to the Nigeria. And here is again our company named the Henan JINRUI Food Engineering Company. We are in the middle of China. It's named the Henan Province. And also we have factory. Factory is near to our company. Company is in Zhengzhou, Henan Zhengzhou Province. And our factory is nearly to the company. It's need for 14 car ride. Our company is main doing the cassava starch processing machine, sweet potato processing machine, or potato processing machine, and also garri fufu processing line. Here is our office, looks like this too, and this too is our company's factory. So if you are interested in our company, please leave your message in the commentary, okay? And here our companies, my assistant will leave our WhatsApp number in the commentary. Okay, so if anyone don't have any question, my live stream will go to an end soon. It's only 4 minutes for close this live stream. So if anyone have the question, please ask me, okay? Not only the cassava processing line question is okay, and also you can leave me the company or China and so on. This question is all okay. Let's see the production line again. Okay, so the cassava first go to the dry sieve for friction, the soil and the grass, and also the little stone in the cassava, and the impurities will be living out in this machine. And the paddle washing machine, it can make the cassava very clean because it uses the negative washing. It is a U-shaped washing machine, and it has many pedals in it. The pedals will push the cassava to go around this machine. And the fermentation, here fermentation, this one shows that it can be fermentation by the sunlight, but we suggest that we have 2 big tank for fermentation. And then go to the cassava grater for to break the cassava into the very small pieces. And then go to here is the peeler. Peeler can peeling the cassava. It will use sandpaper roller in it, and it will be clean it more fastly. And the hydraulic press to press out the water in the cassava. Then go to the crusher to crush the cassava powder again, cassava cake. Here comes the cassava cake. So crush the cassava cake, okay, and then go to the fryer to make sure the cassava is it can eat directly, and then go to the vibration sieve to make sure the fineness and it is good. It is very it is good for eating, and then it can go to the packer for packaging, and then it can be sell. Okay, so anyone don't have question, our live stream is will be in the end. Okay, so bye everyone. Bye Bernard. Hope one day you can come to China, come to our company, okay? And if you can see me, please say hello to me, okay? Bye.